Let's talk about what we do on a day in, day out basis as we segment over to the E60, right? We're gonna segment over to the E60 now. Every day we're getting people on Thrive. And once people are on Thrive, they then experience the plus line. So we've always known since day one, the best way to onboard people is those three main products. Wouldn't you agree? And once they're on those three products, we always knew they're gonna be a Thriver for life. They're gonna be hooked. And in the early days of the 8-week experience, we also knew if we can get you to stay on the product for 8 weeks, there's secret sauce in that, right? That's when you truly feel the product. That's when your nutritional flaws, your deficiencies are coming into play. You're really seeing great rendering benefits of what's going on with that nutritional content hitting the body. And so there's all magic, there was all synergy in that. And here we are 10 years later, and it's still what's important. We're gonna onboard brand new people with the three products. We're gonna keep it simple. We're gonna keep it focused on that. Don't worry about all these other products back here. We know I know, but just hang on. Start here, then go over here, right? And from this day going forward, this is what you focus on. I'm telling you, if you want Hypergrowth 2.0, what we experienced when we launched the 8-week experience, if you want that in your team, this is all you focus on. Right now, we're 10 years old, and when somebody says, what's Thrive and what's Le-Vel, your team is answering it 200 million different ways. Well, it's biotic, well, it's this, or well, I love the shake, or well, I love this, or it's my DFT. Right now, you share and sell one thing. It's the Thrive Experience 60-Day Challenge. This is it. Once they're on, let them have at it at Le-Vel.com. Let them go see everything there, order every product they want. But right now, we're going into hypergrowth, which means new bodies. What we've done with this new E60 system, we've simplified the marketing. We're now challenging the people to try the Thrive experience. You're gonna see a brand new world, a brand new way for you and your team to share Thrive with others. It's gonna be great.